Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain you the concept of parameter and parameter overriding. As this question is most frequently asked interview question in Verilog point of view. So we will see. First, we will try to understand the concept, what is parameter and what are different ways of overriding parameter. And we will try to put those theory into practice so that you will remember the concept forever. Okay, so let's have a discussion. First one is, what is parameter? Parameter are nothing but the constants used inside a module so that we can declare a constant using keyword parameter. And as parameters cannot be used as a variable, they are constant, as I have told you in this point, right? And if you want to make our code more generic, at the time also we can use a parameter. For example, if I want to model a 4x1 multiplexer, for example, then I can declare a size, input size is equal to 4 by using parameter, and output size, the select line size is equal to 2. And in future, if I want to model a 16x1 multiplexer, so that I just need to change this size, input size and select line size, so that code become more generic, just need to change this parameter. And in order to, if we want to avoid the hard coded numbers in our design, then we can use this parameter. Now we will see what are different ways of overriding parameters. Well, there are three ways of overriding parameter. First one is using def param keyword, define param, long form of the def param is. Then we can override the parameters by order during the module instantiation. And also third way is by name. We can also override the parameter during module instantiation. We will see the code for these three. Now this is the first code, parameter overriding using def param keyword. Here I have declared a module, example end module. In that I have declared parameter size is equal to 10, and within initial I am displaying the size of this parameter. Okay, and I am declaring another module top. Inside that I am instantiating this example module two times, example I1 and this empty parenthesis, and example I2 empty parenthesis, and using this keyword def param, this I1 dot this size is equal to 20. So this 10 will overwrite with this 20. Def param I2, this I2 dot size is equal to 30. So this 10 will overwrite with this 30. And if we run our simulation, we will get the output value something like value of size is 20 by this def param, and value of size is 30 in the module example by using this param. We will try to put this into QuistaSim and we will see the simulation result there. Now see, by order, overriding the parameter by order. Same example, module example, parameter I am declaring d1 is equal to 1, d2 is equal to 2, d3 is equal to 3. Within initial I am displaying the value of this d1, d2, d3. End module. In another module, module top, this example, name of the module, hash, within parenthesis I am passing the values like 4, this 4 will override to this 1, this 5 override to this 2, this 6 will override to this 3, and this t1 instance name. Example, another I'm instantiating two times, example hash, within parenthesis 7, this 7 will override to this 1, this 8 will overwrite to this 2, and I'm not providing third, so the default will be 3. And after running this code, we will get the simulation result, something like values of d1 is equal to 4, then 5, then 6, and this values of d1 is equal to 7, d2 8, and this d3 default. Okay, now see, by name, here I am declaring the same example, module example end module. Within that parameter d1 is equal to 1, d2 is equal to 2, d3 is equal to 3, and I am displaying the values, right? And in the top module I am declaring in example hash dot of d1 4, this d1 1 replaced with 4, override with 4, then dot d2 5 will override to this d2, and dot d3, this c6 will override to this 3, and this is instance name, right? Similarly, example hash dot d1 will 7, d2 8, and d3 will be default, and after running simulation we will get this result, and we will try to observe the output using QuistaSim. Okay, so let me go to QuistaSim. I have already written a code in order to save our time. Now see, just I am removing the comment. This is what the first example parameter size is equal to 10, and I am instantiating the module 2 times and using def param that i1 dot size is equal to 20 and 30. Now we will see. First, just let me comment this, and we will see the output. We want this size is equal to 10, right? So for that, just put qverilog command all v dot sv. This is what my file name. I'm running my simulation, then simulator will do automatically calculations and will give the output. We want the output is 10, right? Now here I'm getting the value of size is equal to 10 in example module, right? Because we have commented this. Now if I want to override that, I'm just using def param i1 dot is equal to 20 and 30, so I want 20 and 30 in my output. So just run the using qverilog command. These commands already I have explained in my previous video. Please once watch those videos. Now see, the values override here. Okay, value is 20 and value is 30. Similarly, we will see another example using, let me comment this and uncomment this example by using this is what our overriding the parameters by order. Same example which I have explained earlier. We will see how it will override. qverilog file name command is there, right? Now see what the values we are getting here. As expected, d1 is equal to 4, d2 is equal to 5, d3 is equal to 6, what I have explained in the example, right? Similarly, for third example, let me comment this. By parameter overriding by name, right? Here I have written a same code and just I am overriding by using dot hash within parenthesis dot d1 4 5 6 we want, instead of 1 2 3 we want 4 5 6, and second time we want 7 8 and this default 3. Just put the same command qverilog file name, enter. After that simulator will do the calculations automatically and we will get the output. Now see that 1 2 3 overrided with 4 5 6 and 7 8, and this d is 3, d3 is 3 default. Okay, so this is what we can override the parameters by using def param keyword, using order base, and by name base instantiation we can override the parameters. So this is what all about parameter and parameter overriding. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.